Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain 7th class 4 marks sums. That is a short answer. 4 5s are 20 marks. That questions I am explaining. You see the question paper and do the sums and see my explanation and follow that. Here are the questions given 5, 6, 7, 8 and these sums are 8, 9 sums are there. I explained clearly in diagram as well as this one also. All 5 questions I explained. Each question carries 4 marks, children. 5 4s are 20. See, here is a question. Fifth question is an elevator begins 20 meters above the ground and it descends a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. What will be its position after 15 minutes? Is for anything mines means it is below the ground level. Suppose this is the ground. It started descending from here to here. So above the ground level is what above means what it will take positive values, and descending means what it is decreasing. So you have to take a minus 6 meters below the ground level. It is descending per 1 minute. For 15 minutes, how many it will descend? You see, children, started from plus 20 and descended per minute minus 6. Descended means minus integer. You have to take minus. And 15 minutes, after 15 minutes, the position of the shaft is at minus 70 meters. Plus 20 plus of minus is how much? Minus 15 6 are 90. You subtract, you will get minus 70 meters. Coming to the next sum, solve means what? We have to find the variable answer. Here what is the variable? A is the variable. First, always you have to transpose the simple one. What is that? Any constant is left, we have to transpose. Here it is under addition. While you are transposing, it will become to subtraction. So 11 minus 2, what is the answer? 9. Again you see, children, a plus 1. Here it is under multiplication. 9 off means what? 9 into. We are transposing this 9 to this side. What you will get before you got answer as 9 and 9 by 9. What is the answer? 1. Again a plus 1 is equal to 1. You transpose plus 1 to RHS, you will get 1 minus 1. What is the answer? 1 minus 1 is a 0. Therefore, A is equal to 0. Coming to the next one, see, in the given figure, AB is a straight line and AB is a straight line and O is a point on AB. OC is what? OC is what? It is a ray. Here they have given angles are 2x plus 30 is one angle. Another one is x degrees. We have to find the value of x. You know the concept, these two are linear angles because one common ray is there, common vertex and common ray. The angles between these two is what? 180 degrees. It is what? Linear pair. So the sum of the linear angle is how many degrees? 180 degrees. Angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degrees because it is linear pair. You add the variables 2x plus 3x, how much? 2x plus x, how much? You will get 3x. 3x plus 30 equal to 180 degrees. Whereas it transpose plus 30, you will get minus 30. After simplification, you will get it 150. It is under multiplication. 3 is under multiplication. If you transpose 150 by 3, what is the answer? 50 degrees. So what is value? X is equal to 50 degrees. Next one. Next sum has given length of the rectangle is 4 meter less than the 3 times of its breadth. If the perimeter is 32 meters, then find the length and breadth of it. You know the concept. Here the least value is what? Breadth. So you have to take that as x. Length is what? They have given condition 3 times of breadth. 4 less than 3 times of breadth. Write the simple equation. This statement is what? 3 times means what? 3 into x. We know that let B is equal to x. 3 times of x is what? 3x. 4 less than means what? 3x minus 4. So, according to the given condition, L value is 3x minus 4. Now you see 2 of L plus B, 32 meters. You simplify and transpose. Finally, you will get 4x, it transpose minus 4, you will get 20. 20 by 4 is what? 5. Substitute the value. Least value is 5 meters. whereas length is equal to what? 3x minus 4. X value is what? 3 of 5 minus 4. Again 3 5s are how much? 15 minus 4 is 11 meters. Coming to this, it is a very easy sum. They have given LA is parallel to M and AB and AC are the transversals. You know the concept, interior alternate angles are equal. So X is equal to 68 degrees as well as Z is equal to how many degrees? 40 degrees. You got both the values. From this you can find y value very easily. The concept is what? Straight angle 180 degrees. Y plus Z plus 68 equal to 180 degrees. If after simplification you will get y as 72 degrees. Therefore x is equal to 68 degrees, y equal to 72 degrees, z is equal to 40 degrees. Okay children, thank you.